Hi, welcome to my luxury beauty channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee and I'm glad that you're here. I have the Hermes Poudre d'Orfèvre Illuminating Face and Eye Powder. This is a limited edition highlighter for $95. I have been waiting for this to release. I purchased mine directly from the Hermes boutique. I wanted to do something different. I normally order online, but I thought I'd do something special and go directly to the boutique. The shade is 01 Or Permabrass. From what I understand, I think there are going to be future shades released, but I am not sure about that. So it comes in the usual Hermes orange box. It pretty much resembles the Hermes blush compact, as you can see here. So this is a blush and this is the highlighter. It has the Hermes emblem. You can see the name here. And it does have a refill hole that you puncture out the pan. So I don't know if that's for future shades or if maybe it will become available. And there it is. Gosh, that is so gorgeous. Look how close that resembles. Oops. Look how close it resembles the emblem. It is always like a choice if you decide to swatch it or leave it untouched. I'm going to take one for the team and I will swatch it. Oh man, this is so gorgeous. It feels very soft. There it is. Very pretty highlighter. The website says it has a fine melting texture with metallic reflectors, leaving a veil of light on the skin. I wanted to see what it looks like sheared out. So this highlighter looks like it has a lot more kick than I was actually expecting it to have. Like there's more sheen to it. It's definitely visible. Since it was Hermes, I wasn't sure if it was going to be a really subtle looking highlight. It has a high concentration of golden mother of pearl to reflect the light, which you can see in my swatch. I am disappointed that the highlighter, just like the blush, does not come with some type of dust bag or pouch. Maybe, I'm just guessing here, maybe Hermes intends to come out with a separate case that you could buy to carry these compacts around in. I'm not sure, as an accessory. I would probably pick one up too if they did. That's it for this video. What makeup item do you think Hermes will come out with next? I'm guessing that they may come out with an eyeshadow quad next. They started with the lipsticks, then they came out with blush, then nail polish, and now a highlighter. So I'm thinking an eyeshadow quad would be next. I'm looking forward to it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you know when a new video uploads. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.